students and parents. Today I'm going to show you the interview of the Indian students studying in one of the best institute of the Georgia, that is the European Teaching University. And for any kind of query or for the MBBS or MD admission, you can contact us on the below number, or you can visit our office.
It was my childhood dream to become a good doctor.
To become a cardiosurgeon.
Become a nice, good doctor.
When I got to know about the university, my first thing was like, will they help me to achieve my goal? And when I talked to the professors and the teachers, they were really cooperative, and they told me that they will arrange teachers or they'll bring the best material for me to become a surgeon.
The teachers are really friendly and cooperating, very approachable. They have a casual approach.
If you have something to ask, you can call the teacher at any time. They're going to respond very well.
They take all our doubts very seriously, except for the final examination.
We come here for the clinical practices in these hospitals also. In hospital they have latest technology so that we can learn something advanced in future that will help us to be a nice and a great doctors.
I chose this university because it gave me various opportunities for my future. Our university is linked with many universities in Germany so that we can go there on exchange programs. European University provides me a platform to experiment with my skills and improve on an international level. It has a very good classrooms, good auditorium. We have a good library where we get all sort of books we want. We have books, we have e-books, we have internet, we have presentations, we have projectors, we have smart classes. We have good cafeteria here. If we in breaks we can go there and have whatever we want.
If you are vegetarian or non-vegetarian, you can live here without any problem. Tbilisi is the capital of Georgia. It's a very good and it's a very big city.
First of all, I must say the best thing I like about is here that it is the most safe country for women. And people are very friendly, very welcoming here. They help us whenever we are in a problem, and most of them speak English.
People actually here are really cooperative and they're actually very friendly towards you.
I would also recommend you to come and apply in European University.
The European University is the best. I should recommend everyone.
When you'll come here, you won't regret this decision.
I feel proud to be in a European university.
All the students, you can come here, it's the best place. Hello, my name is Ankita Dhul. I am a second year student of European University. First of all, I would like to tell that my university, it is linked with many government hospitals, having a very good infrastructure.
We have too many hospitals for our university so that we can go to every hospital and we can have every practical which is in our use.
We are the clinic which has the high standard of clinical practice, educational resources. A lot of professors and experienced staff are working in our clinic.
During our daily visit to the hospitals, we meet with the patients and we ask them about their diseases or problems.
We can do our practicals on our hands and they are very live for everybody.
And we diagnose them with the help of our teachers, and then we tell them that what could be the best treatment or what could be the best medicine for their problem.
You can feel the experience of treating a patient even before becoming a doctor.
We have high standard of clinical practice, and it's very good clinical practical basis for educational activities of European University.
There are several departments such as TB, pediatrics, medicine, gynecology,
for anatomy, for physiology and for neurology. Our university is very well equipped with different kind of instrument and all the modern and latest technique that we need for treating the patient.
Regarding hospitals, we have everything and every equipment available till now. All the doctors in the hospitals are highly qualified and they share their own experiences with the students like us, and we get a good knowledge about the patient situation, and even for the further studies it's very helpful and beneficial for us.
I definitely recommend my friend to come here if they want to gain a practical knowledge also.
Aim of which is the high standard of education, and for these purposes our center is a relevant area.
So in the end I would like to say that my university is the best for any student who would like to pursue his or her career as a medical student.